I mean, this has absolutely nothing to do with this video whatsoever, but I got a letter. I got a letter from the House of Commons. Look at this. On proper decent paper. And I thought, oh, fine, it's my time. I'm getting knighted or something. Getting an OBE, I don't know. I thought, fine, yes, it's my turn to shine. Turns out, it's just a reply to my ranty email to my MP about flipping TV licence. I'd forgotten about it. Flipping well should get one though. Sir Adam Garrett of YouTube has a ring to it, doesn't it? So come on, get your flipping pens out, start writing to old King Charlie and tell him to give me one. Ooh, I don't know. Not like that. I don't want him to give me one. I want him to give me a... Fuck off. Anyway, on to today's video. We're going to do a classic, a British classic. We're going to do Toad in the Hole. I have done this already like many years ago. It's an old video and I want to kind of update it a bit, make it a bit slicker, I don't know. But it's a slightly different recipe anyway. So that's what we're going to do, but it all starts with a good banger, good sausage. Come on, let's go. Speaking of King Charles, I've got a bag of his fingers here. Now I'm here to tell you, a good Toad in the Hole starts with a good banger, a good sausage. There is no point making this if you're going to use crappy, like shite, cheap ones from the supermarket. It's just not going to be as good. And there's a certain brand out there that claims to be like Britain's favourite sausage. I don't know how they can say that because I think they're shite. What you want is a big fat banger like that, proper good butcher's sausage. First things first, we need to preheat this oven. So I'm going to get this onto 200. Don't mind that. All right, the frickin' door just came off. Cheap crap, flipping cabinets. So somehow I've got to repair that. Yeah, that's where I keep all my pasta and stuff and flour. I went to open it and it just fell off. Kitchen's falling to bits. Oven tray. A little splash of oil. Okay, and then start placing your sausages in. And it will kind of depend on how many people you're feeding, how big your tray is, to obviously how many sausages you want. I mean, that's a bit of a small one, isn't it? We don't want that one. All right, and then get those suckers into your hot oven, which most definitely needs a clean. And you want to give those about 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to kind of depend on the size of your sausage, but those are quite fat, meaty boys, so they're going to take a bit of time. But you want some nice colour in there, nice and golden brown, because no one wants a pale, insipid sausage, do they, in their Toad in the Hole? And whilst those sausages are doing their thing, we can get on and make the Yorkshire pudding batter. I have done a kitchen basics video on this. The same principle applies. It's exactly the same method. You don't need to weigh anything, measure, or anything like that. All you need... Oh, hold on. I think that's a parcel at the door. It's just me, a mattress topper from TikTok. Excuse me. Yes, where were we? Right, yeah, Yorkshire pudding batter. Let me state this chopping board. I need to fucking straighten that out. So all you need is a glass. And then first thing we're going to do, just fill it with flour. Right to the top, just like that, straight into your bowl. Same thing with the eggs. Just crack enough in there to fill the glass. Again, straight into the bowl with your flour. Blop, 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 blop. Get rid of all this shite. Same glass, fill it up with milk. And the first thing is just beat your flour and eggs together. Doesn't matter if there's lumps in it, it'll all come out in the wash. And once you kind of got it to that consistency, you can chuck in your milk. In we go. Mix that through. Now I'm just going to season it up, but don't add any salt, not yet. You'll add salt just before the batter goes in, because if you add salt now, what salt does is it breaks down the egg white, so you won't get as much of a rise on it if you add it too early. But I like plenty of pepper, and I've got some thyme here, you know, so I'm going to add some little sprigs of thyme, or just the leaves actually. You don't want the woody bit. You can keep it simple. You can just add salt and pepper, but you know, we want to be extra, don't we, on this channel? Give that a final whisk, decant that into a jug. There we go. Yes, that's going to be way too much batter, but I'm going to make up some Yorkshire puds and freeze those. And then you just want to pop that in the fridge, and that'll stay there until we need it. And I think I'm going to give these sausages a little turn. They're looking good. Just give those a little turn. Get nice even brownage. That nearly ended up on the floor, didn't it? Right, get those suckers back in. Here we go. Now I'm going to slice up some onion. Get the onion pubes off. Again, this is something optional, but it really does add something to a Toad in the Hole, I think. So just a few slices. Nice and thin. Okay, right, let's get these sausages out. They're ready for the batter. Now remember that onion that we sliced? I'm going to add that to the bottom of the pan. You don't have to do this, I just think it gives the final product a bit of a nice onion kick. I mean, if you have an onion gravy with it, then you probably won't need to bother, but I'm going to add some onion to it because I want to. Next, I'm going to take my batter and I'm going to add some salt to it now. And this is like shitty old table salt, that's all I've got. And then pour that batter in there. Don't like pour it over your sausage. Okay, that is enough, that is plenty. So I've got loads left, I'm going to make some little Yorkshire puddings. And get this straight back in the oven as quick as. And give that like 15-20 minutes. Basically until the Yorkshire pudding's cooked, you see it puff up, it's going to be nice and brown on the top, nice and crispy. You know the drill by now. Okay, right, this is ready to come out. Now that is fresh out of the oven, all right? You don't want to touch this straight away because it's going to be hotter than the devil's arse crack, that. You need to leave it for a few minutes. There's your toad in the hole. I think I added a bit too much batter because it usually puffs up more than that. But hey, it doesn't matter, it's still going to taste bloody delicious. But yeah, I think it's a little bit too thick. So there you have a toad in the hole. Yeah, I kind of messed it up a little bit. I think I added too much batter. But you know what, who cares? It still tastes good. The sausages are flipping amazing. But leave a comment down below. Let me know if there's any other like traditional classic British recipes you want me to try. I've done a bunch on this channel before, but leave your suggestions and I'll go through them. But listen, I'm going to love and leave you. I'll see your gorgeous faces next time. Ta-ra for now.